off to start a new recipe today. Today we're doing smoked bologna burn-ins. Now, smoked bologna has been around for a while, so this is a little bit of a variation. So smoked bologna calls for thick slices, and you smoke them in the smoker about 275. We're doing that, but we're cutting them into cubes, much like you would have burnt ends from your brisket. It's a little bit cheaper and easier to do when you have a large party coming for you. So when you buy a large section of bologna from the deli or from a food supplier, often it has a casing around the outside. We're going to slice that off. Then we're going to add a binder and then season it with sapsucker. Sapsucker is one of our favorite seasonings that we get from Humphrey smokers. It's got a nice maple taste with a little bit of heat. We love it on pork, but it's really good on fish and chicken and any other meats and vegetables you can think about. It allows for an even flavor, but also every night cooking as well as competition cooking. So let's get started. We were able to slice up the bologna into about 1-inch sections. This allows for even coating. Our next step is we're going to cover them in mustard and then season them with our sapsucker. Now that our bologna burn-ins are seasoned and have their binder of mustard, we're going to put them on the cooker for about an hour at 225 degrees. This can be done with a charcoal cooker, a pellet cooker, or even a grill. This will allow the seasoning and the binder to set in and give a nice smoky flavor. At the last 15 minutes, we're going to take them out and sauce them with your favorite barbecue sauce, and then you can let the sauce set on the cooker. We're now back inside. We have cooked our burnt ends for a total of 1 hour and 45 minutes. So we started with a light coat of mustard on our burnt ends. We then went with a house rub that we like that's called sapsucker. We let them cook for about an hour. We tested them to make sure that they were getting the right tenderness that we wanted, as well as a good crust on the outside. We went a little bit longer at about an additional half hour. At that half hour, we decided to add some sauce. We went with a Kansas City barbecue sauce that we enjoy. It's nice, even house flavor. It's typically what you would find in a grocery store. And now we're ready to try. You truly get the brininess from the bologna, and you get that sweetness from the sauce. You get a little snap from the cooker. I say this is a great game time treat. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe today. See you soon.